Let me show you how to use Crumple Pop Planar Blur. So here we are in Final Cut Pro 10, and I have a billboard here that I'd like to blur out. So the first thing I'm going to do is go to Crumple Pop FaceBlur and drag Planar Blur onto the clip. Next, I'm going to select the area that I want tracked. So I'm going to go zoom in to make sure I get the corners correct on this billboard. So I'm just going to select these. You want to get it as precise as possible. It'll make it easy to track later. Then I'm going to select how much blur I'd like, but instead of using pixellate, I'm going to use blur. You also have a fall off control to make the corners less harsh, but I'm going to keep mine at 0. I'm also going to scale mine up just a little bit, so it's slightly larger than the billboard. You can also move the blur using the shift tools. Next, I'm going to hit track. Now it's important that you select an area without objects moving in front of it, as that can cause issues with tracking. So you might have to experiment a little bit to get exactly what you want. Now let's check out how Planar Blur worked. Looks great. Let's see it on the full clip. And it looks great. And that's how you use Crumple Pop Planar Blur.